Guess what I saw?
What?
Wood.
Wood? Didn't you tell me what you're talking about?
No, I saw wood.
Oh, you saw. Oh, man.
Thank you, Tasha. Look at that. She cleaned me up nice.
That's nice.
She cleaned you up nice last week, too.
She did. Oh, it's not a picture. Okay.
Hey, Matt.
Yeah.
You want the good news or the bad news?
I like bad news first.
I recounted all the timbers yesterday.
Yeah.
Remember I said we have 208 timbers to do?
Yeah.
Sticks, I mean, to do?
Yeah.
For the barn?
That's what we've been going off this whole entire time.
Yeah, we have 248.
Not 208. 248. That's 40.
248.
That's 40 extra sticks.
That's 40 extra sticks. You want the good news?
Wow. Yeah. Now that I heard the bad news.
We 96 of those are knee braces.
Oh.
And we
Okay.
could probably knock out 10 a day. And then 42 of them are single cut purlins.
Really? Well, that's nice.
So I ran the numbers. We wanted to get out of the shop in the 1st of July.
That was the initial plan that we kind of set for us.
So I ran the numbers, and we have 4 weeks that we could get all the stuff done, which puts us 2 weeks away from July.
So if we work nonstop, 6 days a week, we have 2 weeks of
extra spare time cushion.
Okay.
Even with the additional pieces. Because I ballparked, right? I kind of like the 208 pieces. But
well,
I sat down yesterday and I actually clicked on every single piece in the plan, and 248 pieces. And that's not counting those little joining
knife plates.
But that's okay. That's going to be a piece of cake.
All right.
But it's still possible. So we're hoping to get the Timberframe done July 1st. At which point we have a 60,000 pound excavator backhoe coming in. We're renting to continue clearing the property. You ready? I can't believe it took me this long to learn this, but foam. I did not know that Carhartt makes a pocket for knee pads. I've got this one in there. Oh man, my knees are definitely thanking me for this. It's like $7 for these things. You just slide them in, and I'm telling you, wow, it makes such a huge difference. I'm absolutely loving these things. Why did it take me so long to learn this? not bad today. We started at, wake up time was 2:30 a.m. We did an anchorage run.
How are ya?
Dude, this looks so trippy.
Wow. Hey.
Yeah. We're gonna have to make sure to put that dent to the top. We got back here. We got 3 purlins done. 2 on the stretchers.
My back needs to go on the stretcher.
What were you saying?
Huh? So tomorrow it looks like it's gonna be raining, so we need to finish those 10 pieces tomorrow, so then Saturday we deliver 13.
If we do those 10 pieces tomorrow, that'll be the biggest day we've ever had.
Let's go to sleep.
Let's go sleep.